In the last video, I showed you how to stretch the calf, the gastroc and the soleus muscle, to reduce some of that calf soreness and pain after a total knee replacement. Now I'm going to show you how to massage that same group of muscles. I prefer massage to stretching. I don't believe stretching is a real effective strategy for muscle tension or muscle discomfort. Massage can be very focused. You can find the specific sensitive areas within the muscle. When you just do a typical stretch like I showed in the last video, you're stretching everything. You can't target any specific tissue. But with a rolling pin, now this is a standard rolling pin. It could be wood, it could be metal, it could be marble. I just picked these up at the grocery store or at Walmart or Amazon or any place that you have access to cooking supplies, kitchenware. And what I like to do is I like to grab it in a palm up grip. I bring it behind the calf muscle. There are two primary muscles down below the back of the knee and the lower leg. One is called the gastrocnemius. That is the superficial muscle. It does cross behind the knee. The other is called the soleus. That is a deep muscle. It does not cross the knee. So if you're somebody that has difficulty with full knee extension, that gastrocnemius might be more tight than usual. If you're somebody who's walking on the toe and not getting good heel contact, both the gastroc and the soleus could be sore or more uncomfortable than usual. So there's a couple ways to do it. I'm putting my palms in this forward-facing position. I'm just rolling up and down the inside, the backside, a little bit toward the outside. I can apply moderate to firm pressure. If I find a real tender spot, like some people will get real tender where the calf muscle turns into the tendon that becomes the Achilles tendon, you just spend a little bit of extra time in that position. If you have hip mobility and it's a little bit easier for you, you can also just pick the leg up and kind of move the leg from the hip. I'm just resting the weight of the leg on the rolling pin. So either I move the leg over the rolling pin or I move the rolling pin over the leg. The idea is this motion spreads the tissue, spreads the muscle fibers. It facilitates fluid exchange. It's like wringing out a dirty sponge. You're squeezing and then relaxing. That moves some of the fluid out of the area, and it allows you to scan through the tissue looking for sensitive areas, looking for lumpy or bumpy areas that you can really focus and target the direct pressure to facilitate that change in sensation. Because when that muscle hurts, you want to feel something other than the information that's causing the pain response. So guys, if you're looking for more content like this, follow the page, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video.